YouTube channel 90% Native. My name is Michelle and I garden in Northern Virginia in Zone 7A. This is another video spotlighting native plants, and today we're going to be talking about purple-headed sneezeweed, or the botanical name is Helenium flexuosum. Purple-headed sneezeweed. It takes full sun to part sun, and I think it actually prefers more on the full sun side. It is a plant that gets about 3 feet tall, which is significantly shorter than Helenium autumnale, the regular sneezeweed, which gets about 5 feet tall. And I happened across this plant on Prairie Moon Nursery, found out it was native in my area, and definitely wanted to give it a try because while I really love Helenium autumnale sneezeweed, they are hard to keep staked, so I was excited to see something a little bit shorter. As with the slender mountain mint, these seeds do not require any pre-treatment in order to germinate. So we're just going to go ahead and sow them. I am going to sow some here in this flat, and this flat's going to go outside, and then I'm going to sow some here in this flat, and this is going to go in my basement under lights to see if I can get a head set on germination and getting some good growth before the spring. It's sort of an experiment to see next year what I want to do. Although I will say that when I sow seeds in little flats and I have to prick them out and pot them up, that is really time intensive and it's a lot of work. So if these don't germinate and get really big really fast in comparison to what I plant here and put outside, I will just continue to winter sow them outside in the future. Purple-headed sneezeweed is a host plant and is a host plant to the dainty sulfur butterfly. And is this plant edible? It is not edible. This plant is considered poisonous, and even deer are supposed to stay away from it because of that. The bloom time on heleniums are late summer, so probably August, September. Maybe you'll still have some blooms in October, and the blooms are just the really and truly so cool because the center, I'll pop this up on the screen, but the center is like a ball, and the way that the petals come off of that ball are just really cool. It has like a real retro look to them. So Helenium autumnale sneezeweed, that has yellow petals and that yellow center. Helenium flexuosum, or purple-headed sneezeweed, has yellow petals and a purplish brown center. 2 interesting facts about sneezeweed. So first up, sneezeweed does not make you sneeze, but it's named sneezeweed because back in the day, people would dry the flowers and grind them up and intentionally inhale that ground up powder to make themselves sneeze, which they believed dispelled evil spirits from their body. The other interesting fact is the genus Helenium is believed to have been named by Linnaeus for Helen of Troy. The legend is that flowers sprung up from the earth where her tears fell. Okay, so let's get sowing. I have the seeds right here. Let's see if I can show them to you. These are pretty small seeds too, so I am just going to surface sow them as well, like I did with Slender Mountain Mint. I am sowing these heavily because you can do that with native seeds. And now for the vermiculite. And now I will tamp this down a bit with my tractor hitch tool thingamajig. Next up, I will sow the remainder of the seeds here in this little Bootstrap Farmer 5x5 container. Whoopsie. Actually, I'm not going to do all of them. I'll just do that many. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of soil here. Not much at all. And then vermiculite. And because this is going in the basement, it's going to get a little bit of cinnamon to deter any fungus gnats. We're done with the purple-headed coneflower. I'm really excited about these this year. They're brand new to me, and I just absolutely love heleniums. I've only done Helenium autumnale in the past, the solid yellow one. I see so many beautiful cultivars, especially in the UK. They absolutely love them, but I try and stay away from anything but the straight species. So really excited to have another option of helenium to grow. We're done here. I will put this in the basement. This tray right here is going to go outside. So thank you so much for watching my video and joining me here today. I will see you again next time. Thank you.